تبارك الله. هذه هي الحصيلة. السلام عليكم، صباح الخير. اليوم غادي نمشيو ان شاء الله نخرجوا من سان بيت. salty knots fishing charters out of St. Pete. Captain Avery Hughes. ان شاء الله غادي نخرجوا من سان بيت. واحد 10 hour trip. We're gonna target gag groupers, hogfish, mangrove, maybe some grunts. ان شاء الله الجو يكون زوين. هذا الوقت ديال العام الكاع تيكون نشيط لانه الوقيته ديال كيفاش كيتوالد. ان شاء الله هذا هو البوت اللي غادي نخرجوا ان شاء الله. كما كتشوفوا تريبل انجن ياماها كونتندر تبارك الله. البوت فيه ترولين مورر رودان. ان شاء الله 10 سوايع ديال الاكشن ان شاء الله معكم. يا الله تكون شي كاكشن ان شاء الله واني معكم. some pinfishes, a lot of pinfish. هذه الريك نامس. Yeah, please. Not a 30-inch bastards.
So the way the gags are right now, man, is because it's winter time. They're all stacked up. They're pre-spawn.
Yeah.
So they're stacked up here in like 40 foot, way up to the north where we are. We're off of like Crystal River right now.
Wow.
They get stacked up and then they go out a little deeper.
To spawn or?
So yeah, to spawn. So the thing about these things is right here. Tomorrow there'll be a whole new flock of gags that roll through here.
Oh wow.
Same ledge. So a whole different group of them.
So they're like passing through?
Pretty much, yeah. Gotcha.
I got you, Mike. Thank you, Cap.
You could hit this you could hit this same spot for 1 month, man, and catch gags on it every day.
Nice.
What I say, old Callie? Turn on, didn't they?
Oh.
Callie's got
Yeah. Captain called it. Oh.
That's a good one right there.
That's it.
That one will definitely go. We're gonna measure this one, Callie.
Alright, sounds like a plan.
This one will be.
Get a bite turned on.
That's all it takes, man.
Yep.
That midday blues, they shut it down for a little bit.
Nice. Grupa. Oh yeah, big time. Oh, there's a guy.
He's a shorty.
Slim Shady. But their bite is back on. Boys. Birthday boy. Got it going on. That's all it takes, right?
Yeah, that's all it takes, man. That bite turns back on and we're good to go.
Yeah.
Little shorty.
A little shorty, a little slim.
A little shorty, slim thick.
Yeah, let's hope so.
sugar on them.
That double hook is lethal.
Yeah, it hooks everything, man.
Yes, sir. Hey, it's my birthday too. I'm on B. Something else. Besides a grunt and a gag. We'll be okay in a red. Baby gag. This one is not okay to get his gills. Come on, buddy.
Bigger fish.
There you go, birthday boy. تبارك الله، هذه هي الحصيلة. Great day, had fun. هذا تبارك الله هو البوت اللي مشينا فيه. كونتندر تبارك الله. Engine 3 motors تبارك الله. enough space for everybody. ايوا كما شفتوا الحمد لله was a great successful trip. Targeted gag grouper, alhamdulillah, we limited. It was a great day, everybody caught some. والحمدلله هذه هي الخرجة. Targeted the mangrove gag grouper. We got limit, استد الناس 12 gag grouper. عاد خلي عليك المانجروف سنابر والجرانتس والهاك فيش. والمهم هذه هي الخرجة. We had a good time. يلا تهلاو في راسكم. السلام عليكم.